welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Tanya aka Quirky Lens. Today I thought I'd film a very simple sit down, chit chat, get ready with me kind of a tutorial, fill you up on how I do my makeup on a daily basis, almost like a no makeup look. Keep watching. So I already have moisturizer on my face and I'm gonna use the Maribou Rescue facial spray and I'm gonna spritz it generously all over my face. I'm not gonna use a primer, I'm just gonna use the setting spray as a primer. So guys, one morning while I was in India, I woke up to an email from YouTube saying that I have crossed 100 subscribers. That's you guys! I gave you a shout out on Instagram. I hope you guys all saw. If you're not following me on Instagram, my handle is Quirky_Lens. I am really humbled and honored because of you guys. See, I'm even fumbling. I'm just really happy that I have 100 subscribers. It's a very small number in YouTube world, but still I'm really happy that you guys like my videos and you watch them and you give them a like and you share them. I'm just really thankful. That's all I want to say. So what have you guys been up to? I have been traveling like crazy. I was in India and I came back on August 31st. I was hoping that I'll come back to a beautiful end of summer fall weather, but no, New York had other plans. I came back to a hot and humid weather. It's so hot right now in my filming room. I can't even turn on the AC because it will create like a crazy background noise. It's just hot. It's just so crazy hot. For my foundation, I'm mixing the Maybelline Matte Poreless Foundation in the shade Natural Tan, and I'm mixing just a little bit of my MAC Mineralized Foundation. The Maybelline foundation is matte and stays on for a long time, and I'm mixing my MAC Mineralized to give it a little bit of dewy finish and also to create the right shade for me. I'm mixing the two foundations on the back of my hand like so, and I'm gonna apply it on my face, like make tiny dots. So yeah, I was saying that I was in India for around 2.5 months and I was visiting my family. I was meeting them after almost 2 years. Yeah, almost after 2 years. It's pretty crazy since I live in US and I could not travel last year as I had planned because of some document issues and visa issues. But I finally got to go and travel and meet them after 2 years. It was fantastic. It was really good. I stayed for a really long time and leave my poor husband alone to fend for himself. For my concealer, I'm going with my Maybelline Instant Age White Concealer in the shade Neutralizer. I'm going to apply it with a concealer brush under my eye and I'm going to take it down just a tad bit. I'm not applying a lot of concealer because I don't have crazy dark circles. I just want to illuminate and brighten my under eye. So I want to take the concealer just a little bit on the edges of my nose to contour my nose a little bit too. I'm going to go in with my damp beauty blender again with the flat side and I'm going to just pat the concealer. I'm not going to move it around too much. I'm just going to pat it over and take the remaining bit on my eyelid. Very lightly, very gently. I did not move the concealer around too much. I just let it be where I applied it so that it conceals, illuminates the area. I'm gonna go over my concealer with, if I can find, the powder brush, and I'm gonna take the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade Light Medium. I wish you guys could talk back to the camera. Should I do like a YouTube live or like an Instagram live? Will you guys be interested in that? If you are, please leave some comments down below. I would surely try and do that. One more thing that I've been trying to do is I'm not just a makeup artist. Well, I'm not a makeup artist, I love makeup, so I do makeup and I share whatever I have learned using YouTube. But I am a photographer and I was trying to film like an edit with me tutorial, but the software I have did not record the drop down tabs and like what activity I was doing on Photoshop, and I had to scrap the entire video. Do you guys know any good software for Windows which I can use to record my screen? If you know, please let me know. I would love to try those out and record an editing video for you guys. I am taking the powder on the brush again, and I'm just taking it all around my face, setting the foundation in place. It's really important considering how humid it is in here in New York, and especially in this filming room. I think I'm happy with this. I am really liking the combination of the Maybelline Matte Poreless and the Matte Mineralized foundation together. They make a perfect combination and gives your skin the perfect, like very natural, very dewy finish, but at the same time it gives you a lot of coverage. I'm really digging this two combo. Okay, what next? Oh, my eyebrows. My eyebrows look a hot mess because I have very fine hair on my eyebrows, but I don't get them plucked or get them shaped because I'm too lazy to do that. All I use are some eyebrow gels and eyebrow setting gel to give them shape and define them and make them look really nice and put together. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use this eyebrow brush and I'm going to comb my eyebrow hair upwards very softly. I do have a little bit of foundation on my eyebrow. Of course it went when I was blending in. So I'm just going to keep a very light hand like so. And then I'm going to use the Brow Gel from Benefit. I'm going to use the brush that came with it, dip the brush in. I'm using the cream gel in the shade number 4, and I'm going to very lightly fill in my eyebrow. For my eyelid, I want to keep it very simple. I want to leave it at that, but I just still want to set the concealer that I have on my eyelid, and I want to add a very little bit of color. For that, I'm going to take my Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions palette, and I'm going to take this banana shade right over here on a fluffy brush, tap off the excess, and just move it around on my eyelid. Like so. Then again, I'm gonna take a fluffy eyeshadow blending brush and I'm gonna dip very lightly into this tan color right over here, tap off the excess and apply it all over my eyelid. Then to finish off my eyes, I'm gonna go in with the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara. Now I'm gonna apply some lip balm. I'm gonna use my favorite Birds and Bees lip balm, and this is in the shade Rose. It's a tinted lip balm. Next, for my contour, I'm gonna use the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I'm gonna take it on a fluffy brush and look directly into the mirror, and I'm gonna apply it on the hollows of my cheek, like right around from top of my ear till my lips. I'm going to keep a very light hand because remember, this is a no makeup look. I want to create very light shadows so that it looks like I have a contoured and chiseled face, because your girl has a very round face. So I'm going to keep a light hand, move my hair away and apply it very lightly. Same with the other side. Then I'm going to apply the product on my jawline to create a very sharp looking and chiseled face, as if I have lost a lot of calories without working out. Like so. Get the product on around my forehead a little bit, very lightly. Again, a little bit on my cheek. Then I'm going to pinch the brush and take the product on it and just tap the product on my nose, on the sides of my nose, to contour it a little bit. I'm going to use one more bronzer. This is the Sun Kissed bronzer, again from Physicians Formula. This is slightly warmer, so it gives you a very nice sun-kissed glow. I think it has some specks of like golden hue to it. I'm going to take it on the brush again, smile, and pop it on my cheekbones, just very little. It will give a very subtle glow. Once I'm happy with the bronzer, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some blush. I'm gonna use the Dandelion blush from Benefit. That is a very light pink shade, almost like a natural color. I'm gonna take a lot of it on a big fluffy brush, smile, and apply it on my cheekbones. And for my lipstick, I'm using the L'Oreal's Color It Shine lipstick in the shade Luminous Coral, and I'm gonna apply it generously all over my lips. And I think this is the final look. Wow, my lip color looks very fluorescent in the monitor, but it's not that fluorescent, it's very subtle. I think it's the lighting adjustments that I did. Anyways, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel by clicking down the button below. I make new videos, I think every Thursday, but I'll try and make new videos every Thursday. Follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is quirky_lens, and keep up with me. Till then, bye!